Kapang gabang ngakwa ban keren kandiat akan ikopor kalong sepang ka Teachers Day. Barok ngi tip hi ka Teachers Day. Ladengi pai sigijing long khana sigijing sigipor bagi national school. Ka Teachers Day kadai ka wai ni kisngi ki ba sa jingkan mau haki lenong jang ka jing school ka jongi. Kadai gaski ka ba nilai kerpang ya kina hikai penpawi ka jing buram mi kina hikai kamtam ban itu ya ka jing IT ka jing lanlade ki kama bah ka jing IT met ban mensem jang ki ha ka ban yarap ban tei ngangai ba baro kina hikai kin ku bori kata te mentau snem kai basa tenar kelong kani. Last year naga school ke jongi ina ni bai na hikai bo yo ka state award ikong CD la ki kena school ki sai khot e de miss shua ide bela senior bahaya ni school jongi iyo priang ka state award mentau snembat kham syo tana chu ya ke jela jongi ba isa Rahul S Chatterjee iyo pediang ya ka national award kebukin ai hakani ka snem na kumita jom kina hikai te kalong ka burom hengi kina hikai na ka state ka jongi o nyimla ban yo lut baro andre na way na ni ka way na kina hikai na ka state ka jongi iyo kum ka ta ka award kalong ka burom hi ya ka teachers community baro ka way perthai ka itu सरकार के इथो या के जिंग ट्रेजिटम जम किनाई kai nimla ban biang lut na dong sedo nila ban don si bon ki jing duna ndai kino hikai ni ai persiap ngitip ye beto ko sai dong ba kino hikai ki ye la ke jong ndai ki pen biang ye ki kon ki ti jong ni pedeng uslap pedeng ler pedeng ki jimpang ke jing sitam ndai ki ya persiap ban biang teng kung majukan thok namang isa yo ihi haki lat pathai kubor ya ihi haki kot kubor ba kina hikai ki haban mi wacha surak ro banyo eka tulap ke joki kidon ki por ki bakina hikai ki room haki classroom da ukpo pathali rengan ong ipi kini gawai mdan I weiru ina hikai iba haba I room pa classroom in penok ya ka dur khmat ka jong ikren ihikai ipen biang nadong sedong ya kikna skol ya ka jingdon kam jong kikna skol da ka khmat ko sa ke na kwa banong happy teachers day ngadua ya ko blai unang ai ka jing start ka jing champang ni unang ai ka jing rap unang ai ka jing kerho nang ba lada ka kam ka jong ni kalong in silence keperthai kelak ban klet ini keperthai kelak ban nam kenmau yang ia ki por barok lain dok teng tangan ini por celebrate ya ke teachers day ndai ai bo ublai undang dekat ban ni ngintrai ya kakam ngile bah kenang ba kalawai jong ki khon ki kalawai jong ki kena school ki jong kalawai hi jong keri jong kan mong ko nai
ka kerteng junga de ikong Virginia mani nga hikai school haka mulong government LP school te ngadon haka kam bakumba atuna sinani na gabenta ki parlo na hikai ho chisha wala da ngimyo galat bandra ke ga teachers deru ngimbe bandu mensim ide ban kan mawe ka la ka jong ka mensim bakum kino hikai ide ban snyo khia ya la ka jong ka kam nang tai ki kena school kumju ngasnyo ban ong ba nga kentu ya ki kena school ba wala dangin yo ya ka lat ban rakhe ya ka teachers day haki school ndrei ide ban kan mau ya ka teachers day to ga message ka bangadon ban ong kalong ba o la shisha ngim yo ngim don ka school la khang kredep ya ki school ndrei bangi kum gino hikai ide ban kan mau ya ka kam ka bangi bat kum gino hikai ban ajirap ya ki kena ha keno ka por ka ba mangi gino hikai bat ki kena ngila ban ya kendu lang Jadi kena school ru ngai ga message ba kide wala da kidon haying ru kim de ban syang makia sheneng sharum re ga e ga ba kide ban le kalong ba kin pet ya ki kot kisla kin hikai tho nang ta bat kum ta der ba kin nong klet kum kena school kaji e junga kalong ba ni kum kina hikai ru ni haban singkia ni habadon ka jingkit kli habang ila shim yang ni kam ban ajing nang jing start yang kena school nang ta ngayo i bang idon kamru ka jing trilang ki kimi ki pa ba ki bor jong ka shlong ban wanra na ka banta ka jing bit jing yang jong ki kena bat ka school hi bro ka bai na kaliang jong kum iwei na kino hikai nga shu ai ka jingkit bok ki riang ya ki kena school jong i bat ki perlu na hikai ru dengan ken mau na ka banta ka ne ka teachers day ki don bun ki jing e kato kat ne ki nga kwa ban jar perteng ha ne ka por ka ban kong ka long ba ka jing duna jong ka building ki kamera kelas anta ka ba an pat ka long ba ka jing duna ki infrastructure kum ki ben ki blackboard ki desk bat ki we de ita ki jing e na mar la duna kita ka mot ki shem jing e ban kai na school ha ka kom ka ba biang
very important role in molding the career of the students, and in the midst of this COVID-19, teacher has to play a very important role to bring the students together. And then this COVID-19, though it is very difficult for teachers and students, but still one positive thinking is there that teachers from different schools through these online classes, they can cooperate together and they can bring some good development, and they can show their sense of responsibility to bring a good environment for the students, so that students will develop interest in study. That's so that happy Teachers Day in advance to all the teachers. And I also, like, on behalf of the teacher, I want to give a congratulations to Mr. Rahul Chatterjee, who is getting this year the National Teachers Award. Again, after the pandemic ends, it will be little bit problem. So maybe like teacher has to put more efforts to bring the students to develop interest in studies, because it will be almost after 1 year, we can say. So only one point is which will help the students to learn is called blended learning. Blended learning means you can do offline and online teaching together in school. Suppose you are in digital classroom, you are teaching them. In the meantime, you can show them some internet online, some videos, things and all. So this is called blended learning. Through blended learning, students can learn and they can develop some interest in study. That's the only thing that we can do is that we can put more effort on blended learning. See, during this year, like on 5th September, it falls on Saturday. So it is difficult to celebrate teachers like all the years we used to celebrate in St. Paul of Paris. But this time, I don't think that DSU will invite the school or the students. So maybe there will be a small celebration. But after all, this is a Teachers Day award function. No? So first of all, we can give congratulations to those teachers who are getting award this year. In the meantime, teachers have lots of responsibility. That whoever the teachers are getting award, it is because they are getting, actually that is called recognition of their hard work. First of all, like during this pandemic, COVID-19, since government already allowed that all the schools will remain closed. So in such situation, like students, they fail to come to the school or they cannot come to the school. So what happened is that teachers, like, they are missing the students in their classroom because there is no face-to-face contact between the teacher and the students. And because of that, what happens is that students, they are losing interest in study. Meaning that there is no face-to-face, there is no eye-to-eye contact. Obviously, there is a huge difference because when we talk about classroom teaching, then we find that teacher and the students will find in the same four walls that is in the classroom. So interaction is very good. But when you talk about online classes, then online classes, what happens is that a student is suppose he is sitting anywhere at home or maybe somewhere in the park or anywhere outside or maybe in the four walls of their own area. So what they find is that when online classes is going on, they will use mobile or maybe the laptop. But the problem is that all the students, they cannot access to laptop or the mobile. So only few students, those who have this Android mobile or the laptop, they can enjoy the classes. But those students who don't have this facility, so they are missing. One point. Second point is like the way you teach in class, in the classroom, the students enjoy more, and their concept of any topic is more clear when they are attending the class in the school. But when they are getting the same class through online, then certain concepts are not clear, so they cannot interact with the teacher then and there on. So that is the problem they find, because there is another problem like internet. There's all the time we find that there is an internet problem here. So the students cannot access to them in online classes.
So when the pandemic ends, what is the first thing you will do when school reopens?
This is a little bit difficult question, because see, when the pandemic will end, then after that many things are there that students they miss in their classes. Especially there are certain tough subjects like science and maths. Now, say for example, some schools they are sending the worksheet. They are preparing the worksheet on mathematics. They solve on the paper and they send it through the WhatsApp. So by sending the WhatsApp, the mathematics solution, students will not understand anything.
Sudah pi baro nakla yang kami benkran kerpang nakalian jong kinong hikai hakni social jongi bat ni tip balasai kasngi kerpang jong kinong hikai kabangi jukhat ke teachers day manusnya ishet ya rakhe kene kasngi dakaba ki khana ki pidang sngobha kinong hikai jong ki aya ki Kibon ki eki program ke baki lek kerpang na mata jong ki khamtam gom ki jing rwai sngobha ki jing shat badru ki ai ki jing sngobha jong ki no hikai ki ba ki sngop e te metaus na padengi i ba kapher namar ka jing wan jong ni ka klam covid hendre wat la kata na kalian jong ki no hikai ru ile kat bala banya jan baki khna ladang ni me kendo iki markmat ru hendre dakini ki through the digital world kumangi angma kumangi le mentada ka Google Meet tani teng ile na ka WhatsApp ru eki tang bangin yo banyak kren batki banyak jan batki ka Google Meet ngimla ban shimlut ya barok ki khana namar lese ko madong don kinong hikai ki don ka laptop don pada na ka mobile ru fi lada na ka laptop ngila banyo ban penrung banyak kendo eki khana kumba katuk ningot kumba ndo pongot e rudang la le naka mobile pada le singi HP na kalian yo ki khna ru ada ki dan ne kim dan ne kata ka kita ki mobile wa menta bala ban le through Google Meet iki kata ka jing e jong kata bangila ru ban smutu na kalian yo ki khna school ko mangi ki na kalian jo ki high secondary section shu ong no bangile through WhatsApp iki ko WhatsApp ke de wai ba ngila ban yo ki khna ki number jong ki ni na pha iki kini ki classes iki ru ni pha lambai kini ki WhatsApp through the media of WhatsApp ni pa eki ki notes ki audio ki videos kat bangila naka liang ga jong ni hendai bangin le pada kum de ki Zoom class dan ni ki Google Meet ni ha perkhat na mental ki tu ki wei pada ki na bapli bahasa asnong kandong kim yo access kim yo alat namar batut palat ka network te na kalian jonga hi bang hi tang ka WhatsApp hi wei ka ba at least nila bandong ba nila ban kita hi kini na bro kai
la shai ka ski sang tarik upnai September kadai kaski ba manusnem ba nirakhe ya ka ski buram jongki nohikai hapo ka state bat kum juru hapo karihi baro kawe dan rehau nusnem nakadaw ba kejingdon jong kaneka pandemic ta ni nakalian ka sarkar nilayarai ba kecira ke kin long ke ba phe kan nom don kin no ja function han re kin don tang kin ja ai award ya itu ki no hikai ki beyo ya ka district award ba kin le halak jong ki district jong ki but hapo ka state but ka East Coast Hills ngin le hapo ka Yojana Bhawan nginle lang haju ika education system ka jongi hapo ka state barok ni tipi ba nakawi ka por sa ka sarkar kala prasang kar bala ban panha Henry hangi ngisem jinge bah hapok pastit ke jingi nomor ba ya ki school kilong ipun ki school ki ba laran daki different organization daki managing committee niam snong private kumta terter data kadaw kalong ka ba ya ka sarkar ban monitor ban streamline Henry nisngo ternat pat barok di managing committee ya trelang ka sarkar bat ki ai ti kamong kadiang bat ngi iba ka education system hi kayai ki kat kumba kalong Henry kaba hangi pat kalong ba kabang yai tip hi barok ka jing nang ba di kinong hika namar ba ka disparity jong ki jing siu ka jing bom yo tulok manu benai kini ki long ki ba kumngi ki ba pe ya kan shin ki don ka jing snel Henry kamde ka basuk ban shim ya ka rai ban le namar ba kibon ki ki ba hab ban reform show and poy ya kata ta den ta kadaw kalong kaba sngubenyo Henry ngi nakalang jungi ni persyam ba niya persyam but ultimately hilada ngi barok ngi ya perkhat nadu ki stakeholder hadu ka sarkar hadu ki managing committee nginla ban overcome lada ngin nomla sisin la ru khandiat khansoi inla nang ba kan ka jing jang ki nong hikai kalong ngin kham pen duna yaka namar ba kide ki nong hikai kide ki paya baklain nak benta ban ajing kersan ban ajing tip bat ban betul lenti ya ki knasko enta kadaw ngaman kapor kiawan ni kendu teng along ngasngaw ba ngasngaw do mensem namar ba ngatip ya kijing Henry ultimately tempat ngamla ban sol biya kijing dah bang ong kum tadin ka daw pi hap ban yathir ba kini kijing long kum ne kin ya ban ya den ngakramen scam ba haki negis ne por banangwan haki stem banangwan minla ban pernah kan bala ya kini jing jampi noika kindan bai ki breu ki bom kit khia yala kakam tanga ngas ngam ong bom don ki don hi ki no hikai ro ki ba unchu poi thikna sha ki jaka hikai ki jongki Henry den ta kadaw ngi don kam man ka po ngi ekran bang don kam ya ka ji treshtom ka ji snok ki lambat ki managing committee par ki stakeholder ta ladadon kum kita ki no hikai kamut ka kishnong ki bor snong ki bor ki committee ki de ban report sau SDSEO nang ba ngin le ya ka badan kam ta Henry ki babun hi ngayo iba ki le stom ban pendep ila ka kamram riku mak umene ngemla ban len ba kidon katukat ne persen tamba kum ba pitip hi ba kinong hikai kidon daki 10,000 tam ha tanakine ki balayo hikranin kidon ba 10,000 tam mat ki no sarkar lada 10% ro kamu saus pamut kin ayo dalra saus pamut kin nom kit khia kamut kajing do ka bakrayo yaw ki khna lada 10% kalong katno den ta kadaw ka ultimately kajing kerpat kajonga ya kinong hikai baro tongin lom ki ba kit khia na kabenta ka kamla jam na khnang ba kanne ka responsibility ka ba philashim man hikai ya ki khon ki ki jongi ya ki persa ki para ki jongi kan long shisha ka ba ajiman toy mar ka jiman toy jong ki tu ki khnang tu kala ban wanra pa ya ka jiman toy amtang ya ka state kan la ban ajiman toy wat ya ka perthai hi barok wen ma ngim la ban tep utu khnaw balik ka tu school ka ka jing ka ina potential jing u bat ka ka ba ka future ka jing u kila ban dan ngam road out ya kata ka possibility ba kidan ki khna ki ban la ban long ki nong te ya ka imlang salang hala ka no ka kam ka ba itre
ki ma fai ki lat kin tik mo pipla kado mane abadi bat ka teng kai ki ba ko ki ba khamat ka jing long ba ji mom no tulap yang por ki lat kin ti le se nak liang o sarkar kalian dan penbaik ini jing
Kidan artli arjat ki jing kawe kalamba ka jing ba kidan kum kini ki SSA sebagai siksa apihan menswa ka SSA bat ka RMSA mentala kan thoplang kitu kalamba ka tulap kawan na ka sarkar India tateng bunsen ngim tiyo biangpor ya ka pisa na ka sarkar India bansiu ya ki nohikai den takadaw ka penlong ya ka yangi bangin kalampan slam ban pelai kloy ya katlok no pala dangim yo nang te kalam kabae yangi ba ngin siu nakaste kabaar kadon kini ki deficit laneki pattern deficit laneki ad hoc kini ki ba ya kajing siu ko jangki kalong laber nakaste tangi menta ngasot nan paka policy jong sarka jong o chief minister ka jongi kalong ba menta ula persyam banwat ba nado ki master role shaneng kiba dehi ban siu kalong persyam ban kinle biangpor den takadaw ngayo i bahakan ne ka jing sim initiative jong chief minister ya kan ne ka ngakramen scam ba kan ne ka jing bum yo biangpor ya kini ki nohikai kiba sponsor fully da ka state government ngatrai ngin lahi tambayak ini ba sponsor bat ka central government bat ka state government yakin ne ni hak hiban up ya ka fund na ka sarkar pede hanrei ngana kelang jenga manal department baro man ka por ni yaiban ba ngidei ya ka sarkar pede ba ka dem lang por bat ya ki UC ki bagi de ban submit ro ni persyam kan bala ban submit hakapor ka babiang nang ba kinohikai kinom safa ngin yo ya katulop hak bade kapor kinohikai kidon karul kaba konsantam hapo ka imlang kasalang baro kowe tanakaliam jonga ngasngau de badon baktam bangalayo banyetrelang bat education sector kabangede khamtam hakabayede bakino hikai tangan nakaliam gajonga nga ai khuble shikade ya ka jing trestom jong kino hikai nakowe kapor shakowe kapor kumbanga nyatip bakidon kibun ki constraint ki bakino hikai ki akendo nakowe kapor shakapor lah kaliam katulop lah kaliam kajing yapher katulop kajing slam katulop lane kajing ya pher ka service na kawe ka branch na kawe kajing ya pher ka kita kijing kidon rei ka bangay ipat akinon ka kidon kata ka spirit bakin ndep ya ka kamram ka jongki bat ngai ro hakane kajing jia jing don kan ka pandemi ngai basipun kino hikai kan marbaya kan ne kala jia sujia klempoi perkat ta henrei baro kino hikai kilakit kia ban yarap yaki kena school lah kono ka rukom ta den daklang jonga nga ai khublei yaki no hikai baro hakane ka sniburam ke jongki no hikai kibadei kinong te yaka lawe jom ka jai benriu bat ka jai benriu hi baro kawe ta yai tristom bat ni nak lema sarkar ngan persangkan pala bayai baki ini kicing kibangi akan do bat pi ki no hikai poko state na ko posh ko por ba ladangim la ban solve sisin solve ro bakat tu kat negin la ban solve ya kicing knang ba ka jing tristom ko jong pi kan long commensurate bat ka jing siu ka ba ka sarkar ka siu bat ki no kicing ki ba pi akan do ngin la ban penduna yaki te sasin biang ka skiburam basuk yaki no hikai baro ai ba ublei undan rengkat ban ngilang baro nang ba ki khon ki ti jengi kin la biang ban le sa school bat ngin la ban im komba angide ban im bat tang ka we ka bangakwa ban tang kamau hangne kalong ba lada hakanu kanu ko por ba ka sarkar kan stang yaki school ngidei ban kamau ba umde shu kom mensua ka responsibility ka nang kia hakam tam hagi khna hagi no hika ki ba pe ki class ki baret namar ba ki bun ki khna school kim pas ngthu thu ba ka role jongi ku no hika ba ngin pas ngthu thu ba kum no kin la ban em ha kan ka perthai ka ba don ki jing e ki ba ngia kan do kham tam bar unu nong shun ba nyem la ban yo e kublish bun ka teachers day basuk bakmen blame don ka bakilang baro